Hi viewers, today we want to discuss about most important questions of senior intern. Okay, senior intern. So first we are discussing about long answer questions, early exams. First question: explain the formation of stationary waves in air column enclosed in an open and closed pipe. So, stationary waves formation in open and closed pipes. In open and closed pipes. So you should read these two questions, closed pipes. So derive the expression for the frequency of the harmonics produced. Second question: what is Doppler effect? So this is most important, Doppler effect. And obtain expression for the apparent frequency of sound heard when source is in motion. Source is in motion. And also, second one, so observer is in motion. Observer is in motion with respect to source at rest. Motion. So this is the third question we are going to discuss, is Kirchhoff's laws. So Kirchhoff's laws, very important, and you should learn about Wheatstone's bridge. So apply Kirchhoff's laws to Wheatstone's bridge. Okay. Next, fourth question is potentiometer. State the working principle of potentiometer. Explain with the help of a circuit and how the potentiometer is used to determine internal resistance of a cell. And also B bit is compare the EMFs of the cells. Compare EMFs of cells. Okay. Next. And the fifth question, we have explain the principle and working of nuclear reactor. So it is most important, nuclear reactor, with the help of a diagram. And the sixth question we have here is, what is radioactivity? So explain law of radioactive decay. So this is also very important, radioactive decay. And show that the radioactive decay is exponential in nature. Okay. So students, we have the 6 important questions. So long answer questions 6. So these 6 questions you have to read well, and out of these 6 questions you will definitely get 2 questions for the public examinations. Now we go for the short answer questions. So short answer questions. So we have the following questions for 4 marks. These are all very important. So first question, formation of mirage. Explain the formation of mirage. Second question, explain the formation of rainbow. Third question, with a neat label diagram, explain the formation of image formed in simple microscope. So simple microscope, how the image is formed. And fourth question, define critical angle and explain the total internal reflection. TIR means total internal reflection using neat diagrams. Next, fifth question, explain Doppler effect in light. So this is in light, you have to explain. So Doppler effect in light. Doppler effect in light. This is fifth question. Sixth one, how do you determine the resolving power of I? So this is also very important. So resolving power of I. So resolving power of I. Next, seventh question. So does the principle of conservation of energy hold good for interference and diffraction phenomena? That is law of conservation of energy. For interference and diffraction you have to explain. So law of conservation of energy for interference and diffraction. So this is also very important, interference and diffraction. This is seventh question. Eighth question, derive equation for the couple acting on an electric dipole in a uniform electric field. So we have couple. So couple acting on the electric dipole in uniform electric field. So couple tau is equal to torque derivation you have to derive couple. So this is also very important, couple. A ninth question, derive an expression for intensity of electric field at a point on the axial line. So electric field intensity along axial line of electric dipole. And also we have 10th question, electric field intensity. It is derive an expression for the intensity of electric field at a point on the equatorial line. So equatorial line and axial line, both are very important. And 11th question, we have Gauss law in electrostatics. So state Gauss law in electrostatics and its importance. So Gauss law in electrostatics and its importance. And 11th question, explain series and parallel combination of capacitors. So series and parallel combination. So series and parallel combination of capacitors. So this is also very important. And the 12th question, we have 13th question we have is Bio-Savart's law. Explain Bio-Savart's law. It's also very important. So Bio-Savart's law. And next we have 14th question. Eddy currents. Describe the way in which eddy currents are used to advantage. So how eddy currents are useful. So eddy current uses. And the 15th question, what are the limitations of Bohr theory? Limitations of Bohr's theory. So Bohr's theory, limitations, they are also very important. And we have the 16th question. Explain different types of spectral lines. So this is also important, spectral lines. And this 17th question, we have distinguish between excitation potential and also ionization potential. Excitation potential and ionization potential. Ionization potential. So 15th question, limitations of Bohr's theory. 16th question, spectral lines. Explain the spectral lines. 17th question, distinguish between excitation potential and ionization potential. 18th question, what is a rectifier? Explain the working of half-wave rectifier and full-wave rectifier. 19th question, what is G0 diode? Explain how it is used as a voltage regulator. So draw an OR gate using two diodes and explain its operation. Write the truth table and logic symbol of OR gate. So these are all the important questions we have in senior inter. So please read these questions and pass yourself. Thank you for watching my video, Physics DSR.